Hey man, Greg ordered the truck. Back. Another video. Yeah. New truck. Nigga see it. I ain't doing no driving it. I'm just gonna show it. Showing it out. That's all I'm doing. Yeah, I got it. 21,000. Straight cash. Good shit. Finna fix the bitch up. Bought the Freightliner yesterday. Just ain't showed y'all the video of that either. But you gonna see it. You gonna see it. Real nigga shit though, man. Y'all take a look at this and tell me what you like. Hit that like button and the view button. I know some of y'all might got the truck on the game. Some of y'all don't play. I play every day though. Real shit. Just got this whole today. Real nigga shit. Back at it again. Real talk. Like I say, update truck 2020 type shit. Put it down. Like I say, 2020. We ain't in there yet, in the year yet, but it's coming. But I'm in the 2018 with a truck y'all can't see. Painted, bought the paint myself. It's finna go down.
Ooh, that's apple juice, ain't it?
Yeah,
what? Gave them grapes and that apple juice. Don't give him the shit. Get your shit and put your ass on.
You know, we ain't gonna do nothing clean it and dump it, like I said, man. Cargo truck, transporter, similar. Good game, real shit. Fuck with it, shit. In my video. Hey, I'm blocking this shit. Come on. I'm still good. It's about the truck though. Everybody see the truck. Like I said, hit the like button and view button. Greg ordered it. Yeah. Look at it, man. Check the bitch out. Finna fix it up though, y'all. Real talk. Shit. No lie. Bitch right. I love it. It's my second job right here with this hoe. I run it up on this hoe.
And James's mother, Felicia, is on Amanda's side.
My mother sits up there, gets in his ear, tells him all kinds of things, saying I'm cheating, I'm having to pay, all that kind of stuff. That's ridiculous.
Good truck. Everything new, fresh, big.
Meanwhile, on the other side of the coin, there's his mother.
Wait.